In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the QDIM command in AutoCAD to create multiple dimensions quickly and efficiently. If you often work with drawings that contain several lines, circles, or arcs, QDIM can save you a lot of time by generating dimensions automatically. To begin, select the objects you want to dimension. Next, go to the Annotate tab and choose Quick Dimension, or simply type QDIM in the command line and press Enter. Once the command is active, AutoCAD will prepare dimensions based on the objects you selected. Move your cursor to preview the placement and choose where you want the dimensions to appear. You can position them visually with your mouse, or enter an exact offset value for greater accuracy. QDIM is especially useful for creating baseline and continued dimensions in a fraction of the time required with manual methods. By mastering this command, you can speed up your workflow, improve consistency, and create cleaner, more professional drawings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more AutoCAD tips and tutorials.